This video is here so I can send my students to it. Hello students, so that you can practice how I teach functions. If you're not one of my students, maybe you are vicariously because you're doing it. Anyway, whatever, join in. We're going to learn how functions work. Pause the video, see if you can answer this question. If you can't, it's fine. We're going to have a big learning process, lots of example questions. What's happening here? Whoa, this is weird. I can kind of see a letter and then there's like a number in some brackets. Whoa, this is weird. And then it says equals. So is there some relationship between the number in the brackets and the number afterwards? Oh yeah, there is, which is just like it's always just plus 2. Ah, okay. So what's 6 plus 2? That's 8. What's x plus 2? Well, I guess I'll just write that as x plus 2. There you go, that works. And by the way, those are the correct answers. Ah, okay, so that's how it works. Oh, I want another example. Okay, here you go. Maybe have a go at this. What's happening here? 0 goes to 0, that's a bit weird. 5 goes, well, that's times by 2. Oh, 0 times anything is still 0, so maybe they're all, oh yeah, they're all times by 2. Got it. Alright, what's 1 times 2? That's 2. What's x times 2? Well, we could write that as 2x. There we go, so that's those two. Let's try another example. Oh, the letter can be anything. Oh, it doesn't have to be an F. Oh, okay. Right. Anyway, what's happening? Ah, okay, got it. We're minusing 1. So 10 minus 1 is 9. X minus 1, we'll just write that as x minus 1 because that's just like algebra. Oh, it doesn't have to be an x either. Okay, fine. Can be an. Oh, okay, right. So it could be k minus 1. Let's do another one. This example is a bit odd but possible. Okay, fair enough. I like to use this example with my students a lot, by the way, because I think it really reinforces kind of the principles of how functions work. Because this is like a function f, by the way, if you want to learn a bit of vocab. So this is the function f. Anyway, so well, the answer is just 11. Whatever you put in, so the answer is just always 11. There you go. That's how that one works. With that function, whatever you put into it, the outcome is always 11. Now we've been given what the function is. So have a go in your own time if you like. Well, 10 squared, so that's just 10 squared plus 1, which is 101. That would be minus 1 squared plus 1, which is 1 plus 1, which is 2. That would be 10, just saving time a bit. Now that's k squared plus 1, yeah? Because we can't work it out, so we have to write in the algebra. Now, that's going to be 2k, because everything in the brackets has to be squared, plus 1, which I'm just going to simplify as 4k squared plus 1. Let's try another set. What about this? Whoa, what's going on? Maybe pause the video and just kind of look, see if you can see what if there's a new symbol or something. Look at this. There's a minus 1. What does that minus 1 mean? Well, here I'm adding 3 and then I'm minusing 3. I'm timesing by... Oh, you have to do the inverse. So in fact, this is called the inverse function. There you go, a bit more kind of vocab. In which case, what's the inverse function of h? That would be x plus 11. Because plus is opposite of minus. Okay, some more inverse function questions. So pause the video if you like. Well, that would be 3x. And then it's saying what's the inverse of 12? Oh, we'll go times it by 3, so that would be 36. Okay, g of x is x plus, so the inverse, that must be minusing 10. What's g to the minus 1 of k? Well, that's just k minus 10. Because I need the g to the minus 1 function. Let's do some more. This is the penultimate page of questions, in case you're wondering. Okay. Well, it's asking me what f to the minus 1 is, so I'm just going to work out what f to the minus 1 is first. F to the minus 1 of x is x minus 2. Oh wait, it asked for it up here. Fine, so I've already answered one of the questions. Brilliant. Anyway, that now means I can answer this one. So that would be 6. What's f of k? Well, that's just algebra answer. F of 3, that'd just be 5. Again, that's an algebra answer, so I just take the thing, let me just write that more clearly. I take the thing that's inside the brackets and I add 2. Oh, I like this one. What's this? So what's f to the minus 1 of 3? That would be 1. And then what's f of 1? That's 3. Because I just did the inverse and then the function. And so if you do the 2, they should cancel out and you should get back to where you started. Okay, this is the last question. Just showing how we can relate it to graphs. Pause the video and maybe spend a bit of time trying to work out how this graph works. Notice the labeling of the axes. This axis is the x-axis and this is the fx axis, or the function axis. So what's f of 6? So that would be 2. What's f of 4? That would also be 2. What's f of 1? That would be 0. What's f of minus 1? That would be minus 2. And what's f to the minus 1 of 3? Well, then that's the inverse function. So basically, to make the answer 3, what did the original number have to be? The answer is 2. There we go. Hopefully that's been some helpful learning for you. Thanks for watching.